inside and outside. In this module, you will learn about inside and outside.
No, Diamond, come inside. Come on, Diamond, come inside. Come inside, Diamond.
I think Sid is confused. I'm already inside. Why is he telling me to come inside?
What do you think is going wrong here? Is Sid really confused?
Hey!
Hey, dude! What are you doing?
Hey, Diamond! Come on, come outside.
Good.
Go inside, Diamond.
Wow! Good. Diamond!
Oh, now I got it. I was instructing Diamond wrong.
Yes, dude.
Sid! Come, Diamond. Come outside. We will go inside the house.
Let's recap. Here you have seen Sid learned what is inside and what outside is.